This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brenda Fisher. Stop. Look and browse. Adorable rancher on corner lot is ready for new owner. Has new roof, 2017, and the plumbing pipes under the home have been replaced. Hardwood floors inside. You have a living room, dining area and a den. Sliding doors from den onto a deck. There is a shed sold/is. Backyard is fenced and plenty of side yard for expansion or gardening. Kitchen appliances, convey and washer/dryer also. Work but convey as/is. The primary bedroom with half bath. 1-car garage and security camera conveys. Call today. For more information, review the details below.